Let's make beer-braised chicken tostadas with Schmaltzy Refried Beans. There's nothing I love more than a lazy, smoky summertime braise. This dish features crispy corn tortillas topped with the best refried beans, crisp vegetables, cheese, and of course, beer and chipotle braised chicken. This is a patio party waiting to happen, so let's make it. Start by removing the drumstick from the thigh of 3 large chicken legs. Trim away the excess skin and reserve it for later. Season the chicken on both sides with kosher salt and set aside. Place 2/3 of a cup of flour in a wide, shallow vessel. Working with a piece at a time, dredge the chicken parts in the flour until coated completely. Trim, peel, and halve a sweet onion. Cut it into large wedges and set it aside. Next, smash and peel 6 cloves of garlic. Set them aside as well. Grab a medium cast iron pot and place over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of neutral oil. I use canola. Once the oil is shimmering, brown the chicken parts on all sides. You may have to work in batches for this. Set the chicken aside. Add the sweet onion to the pot along with a generous sprinkling of salt. Sauté until just translucent. Add the cloves of garlic and sauté for about a minute more. Add a heaping tablespoon of tomato paste, a can of chipotle peppers and adobo, and an entire tallboy can of beer. I used an amber ale. Try to select something light. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of honey. Stir to combine and bring the mixture up to a boil. Take it off of the heat and add the chicken to the pot. Don't worry about crowding it in there. Cover the pot. Although this pot is cast iron, the lid is not, so I fashioned one out of tinfoil. Transfer the chicken to a barbecue, holding steady at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Alternatively, you can use an oven for this, but you won't have that smoky flavor. We're going to cook the chicken for an hour and 20 minutes or until the meat falls off the bone. Dice the remaining half of the sweet onion and set it aside. Smash, peel, and mince 4 cloves of garlic. Set them aside as well. Place a large cast iron skillet over medium-low heat. Add the reserved chicken skin and fry until the skin is crispy and the fat has rendered out. If your cat is anything like mine, he should be freaking out at this point. Remove the skin from the skillet and discard. It's done its job. Add the diced onion to the skillet and season generously with salt. Sauté until softened. Stir in the garlic and sauté for 30 seconds more. Add in 2 cans of drained and rinsed black beans and half a cup of chicken stock. Bring it up to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Simmer for 10 minutes. While the beans are simmering, let's prep our toppings for our tostadas. Shave some cabbage, a jalapeno, and a few radishes on a mandolin. Set them aside. When the beans are done, take them off of the heat and transfer to a food processor. Blitz until very smooth. Place the mixture in a bowl and keep warm until ready to serve. The chicken should be done by now. Take it off of the barbecue or out of the oven. Remove the cover and add some lime juice. Transfer the chicken to a large baking sheet. Shred the chicken using 2 forks. Spoon a little of the braising liquid over the shredded chicken. You can puree the remaining braising liquid and use it as a base for tortilla soup at a later date. We're in the home stretch now. Wipe out the skillet you used to cook the beans. Heat half a cup of neutral oil until shimmering. Add the corn tortillas and fry until golden on both sides. Transfer to a plate lined with a paper towel. Set aside to drain. Now let's build our tostada. Place a tortilla on a plate. Spread some of the refried beans on top and add a generous amount of chicken. Shred some cotija cheese over top and add the cabbage, jalapeno, and radish. Finish with a sprinkling of Tajín and fresh cilantro if you have it. I didn't. And that's everything you need to know about these beer-braised chicken tostadas, a cookout standout if there ever was one. Thank you for following along. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to this channel. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. See you next time.